Good morning, student. Welcome to my class. BA second year, optional English, optional English, semester third. And uh, in our last previous lecture, we also learned module third and fourth about the Train to Pakistan novel written by Khushwant Singh in 1956. So, uh, in our previous lecture, we also learned about the author's life and his work, and then we learn about the summary of the novel. And today, we will going to learn the list of the characters. Lala Ram Lal. First is a Lala Ram Lal. Is the moneylender of Manomazra, and his family is the town's only Hindu family. At the beginning of the novel, Mali and a pack of dacoits murder him and attempt to frame Jugga for the murder. Second character is the Mali, a young dacoity, who is the leader of a gang from another village. He and Jugga hate one another, and he attempts to frame Jugga for the murder of Lala Ramlal. At the end of the novel, he is left in charge of the property of Manomadra's Muslim population. Third one is a Jugat Singh. Jugat Singh, nicknamed Jugga, is the main protagonist of the Train to Pakistan. A young strapping, a young strapping dacoity with a good heart. He is the resident bad boy of Manamazara. By the end of the novel, he redeems himself and saves the lives of Manamazara's Muslim people. Then next character is the Nooran. Nooran is the daughter of Manomazra's Muslim weaver, who is also the mullah of Manomazra's mosque. She and Jugga often have trysts together, and by the end of the novel, she is pregnant with his child. Jugga Singh's mother. Jugga's no nonsense, long suffering mother disapproves of her son's reckless ways but can't do much about it. She's the only one that knows Nooran is pregnant with the Juggat child. The next character is a Alam Singh. Alam Singh is Jugga's deceased father. He was a infamous dacoity and was hanged 2 years before for murder. His reputation impacted that of his son. Next character is the Iqbal Singh or Iqbal Muhammad. Iqbal is an educated man from Delhi sent to inform the people of Manomazras of various pet- petitions for government reform. Instead, he gets hauled into jail alongside Jugga for Ram Lal's murder and accused of being a member of the Muslim League. Bhai Singh. Bhai Singh is a priest, the guardian of the Sikh temple in Manomatra. At the end of the novel, when the band of Sikh extreme comes to Manamazra and gathered volunteers to murder a train of Muslims en, en route to Pakistan. He is the only voice of dissent. Then next one is the Banta Singh. Banta Singh is the Lambarder in Manamazra. He collects taxes for the state and thus is considered a local authority. At the end of the novel, he informed the police in Chandanugar about the plan to murder the Muslims on the train to Pakistan. Then Hukumchand. Hukumchand is the magistrate and deputy commissioner of Manamazra and the surrounding district. Morally questionable, he struggles with many of his decisions throughout the novel. In the end, he attempts to avoid a massacre of the Muslims in his district and releases Jugga and Iqbal so they can stop the train massacre. The head constable. Next character is the head constable, the police officer who arrests Juggas and Iqbal. He is the he is the lackey of Hukum Chand and the sub inspector. Next character is the sub inspector and Inspector Sahib, a corruption official who imprisons Jugga and Iqbal although he knows they didn't murder Lala Ramlal. He starts the rumor that Iqbal is a member of the Muslim League in an attempt to further discredit him. He also threatens Jugga with torture so that Jugga will reveal the true identities of Lala Ram Lal's murders. The next character is the Imam Baksh. Imam Baksh is a Nuran's father, the Imam and Mullah of Manamazra's mosque. Blind, he is unaware of Nuran's relationship with Jugga. The next one is Hasina Begum. Hasina is a young Muslim prostitute who Hukum Chand solicits. The next character is Prem Singh, a colleague of Hukum Chand's who tried to curry favor with groups of English people. The next character is Sundari, the daughter of Hukum Chand's orderly. 4 days after she and her husband Mansaram were married, a mob rapes her on her way to Gujranwala. Mansaram, Sundari's husband, on their way to Gujranwala, a Muslim mob attacks their bus. The mob rapes his wife and cuts his penis off. Sundar Singh, a Sikh war hero with a row of medals for victorious battles in Burma, Eritrea, and Italy. He shoots his children and wife when they are stuck for several days on a overpass train to India with no provisions. He doesn't have the nerve to kill himself and eventually makes it to India safely. And next and last character is the leader of the mob, a young man who comes to Monomazra from a surrounding village. He incites the Sikh of Monomazra to turn on their Muslim neighbors and devises the plot to murder the train of Muslims bound for Pakistan. So here we learn about the characters of the Train to Pakistan's novels. So today we are, we were learn about the character of the Train to Pakistan. Thank you, student.